Om Shri Sai Ram. Swami, I thank you on behalf of the entire training team for giving us this opportunity to do Guru Seva. Swami, we have always prayed for help to reach out to more and more teachers. This year, as schools took their classes online, the teachers faced a big challenge and they needed our support. Swami, we thank you for giving us this online platform to reach out to the teachers and provide them with virtual training. However, we were not ready. We were used to going to the schools to train the teachers. We had to standardize the training packages and redesign them for the online platform so that even if the classes are online, the teachers find our training sessions lively and interactive. The Train the Trainer package and the teacher training package are now both standardized. However, the trainers were being stretched thin. Our team needed to grow really fast. So, Train the Trainer programs were conducted, and more new trainers are now joining and expanding our ever growing training team. The teachers could not just take a week's training and go online and start teaching. The teachers struggled and overcame many challenges. Schools supported them, their families supported them. Our heartfelt thanks to the schools and the families for supporting our teachers during this difficult time. It is not easy for teachers to attend a few online sessions and go start taking online classes with our presentations. Teachers need a lot more hand holding. So, we now have mentoring classes going on for teachers where each and every chapter is handled. So, our mentors help the teachers break down the chapters into smaller chunks and train them in teaching those concepts using our presentations. In order to do this, the Classroom Content Delivery Planner, the CCDP, was also standardized, and now teachers in all the states are using these planners to map the textbook content to the Vidya Vahini content so that they are confident that there are no gaps when they use the Vidya Vahini content. This has given them greater confidence in using the content. However, the demand for content started increasing and we needed more and more content authors. So the content training package was also standardized, and now content authors are being trained across subjects. They are helping to expand the content authors team. None of this training would have been possible, Swami, without the amazing tech support team that we have. They are so patient and they are so efficient. They stay in the background silently and make all these online sessions possible. Our gratitude to all the tech support volunteers. Swami, we have no words to thank you for this opportunity to be a drop in your Vahini. We need this Vahini to flow and reach every school, every classroom, and every child, not only in our country, but everywhere in the world. Thank you, Swami.
Dearest Swami, it's a huge privilege to be a trainer and a mentor in Vidya Vahini. 2020 came in with lots of challenges, but there were opportunities as well. Classroom content standardization training, classroom delivery training, T3 for trainers, T2 for teachers, all these were conducted virtually, and that brought in many new dedicated and enthusiastic volunteers into Vidya Vahini. Why all this? To reach out to the child sitting in a classroom lost in the monotony of textbook-based teaching. Swami, it's your love that propelled and guided us on this path. Mukam karoti vachalam, panghum langhayate girim. Thank you, Bhagwan, for guiding us on this path of love and service. Sai Ram.
Om Sri Sai Ram. In today's world, more than imparting knowledge, it is necessary that a knowledge should carry within itself some values in an interesting manner. I'm extremely thankful to the Vidyavahini team for giving us training on how to make learning more useful, valuable, and exciting. I have seen my children enjoying the Vidyavahini class as it makes the classroom more lively. I'm happy with the Vidyavahini content and shall continue teaching in this method further. Sairam.
Dearest Swami, I have no words to express my intense gratitude to you for all the loving support and hand-holding given to me at each and every step. The trainers during the T3 sessions showed a lot of interest in gaining all their inputs. Their interest was very obvious when they put in all the efforts in rendering. The teachers during the T2 showed eagerness and enthusiasm to understand the methodology and content. The involvement seen in quite a few teachers makes me feel that they are the chosen ones. As a mentor and a trainer, it was very satisfying experience for me since the rendering of Vidyavahini content was accepted by them as enlightening and vivid. Dear Swami, I am very grateful to you for blessing me with this wonderful opportunity.
Om Sri Sai Ram. Sri Satya Sai Vidyavahini taught me about insightful, inspiring, enjoyable and participative classroom. I also learned to teach very effectively using the 7 assets. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, words are not enough to express my feeling for you, my Saima. You are there with me every moment. I have read that you completed the verse for Jayadeva in Geet Govind. This happens to me in every training. You give me the right thought, the right example, and the right connect with the trainees. You had advised Arjuna in Kurukshetra war to dedicate all his activities, mind and intellect, then he will be able to reach you. Please, Saima, help me to reach you and enable me to follow those instructions you gave to Arjuna. Thank you, Sai Ram.
Sri Sai Ram. Vidyavahini training is such a wonderful way to improve the quality of teaching. Use of these contents is very much beneficial for the students to understand and remember the concepts easily. For me, this training is made it easier to improve the quality of teaching and enhance my knowledge also. Thank you, Swami.
Swami, how merciful you were giving me the opportunity to train your teachers and then mentor them to acquire the skill to transact in the classroom using the 7 assets that you had prepared for them. In the process, you taught me that teaching is not merely being a conveyor belt to pass on the bookish information to the students, but to nurture them to apply the acquired knowledge for a greater good of the society. You too created circumstances to sharpen my technical skill, to transact in a virtual situation, thereby teaching me that learning is a lifelong process. There is no retirement for teachers. Oh Swami, thank you so very much for choosing me as an instrument for your mission. Jai Sai Ram.